How to get an invoice from Target, quick and easy guide. Need an official invoice from Target for returns, expenses, or records? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process step by step. Start by signing into your Target.com account on either desktop or mobile. Make sure you're using the same account you made the purchase with. Navigate to the Orders section in your account dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent purchases. Select the one you need the invoice for. Click View Order to see details, then look for the Receipts and Invoices option. This is where all your documentation is stored. For returns, simply show the digital barcode to Guest Services or select Print Receipt if you need a physical copy. For gift purchases, choose Print Gift Receipt to get a version without pricing information. Detailed invoices, for complete transaction records including taxes and payment methods, select View Detailed Invoice, perfect for business expenses or accounting. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can access any Target invoice in under a minute. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.